So I'm going to be doing another unboxing video, but this one is going to be broken down into two because I do have two different decks here. Again, just wanted to let everyone know that I do have an Amazon store and these decks will be available for purchase in them. If you are interested or if these messages resonate with you or the art style. Ooh, okay. So for the first one, we have the Shadow Love Oracle deck. And then we have Love Oracle cards. So for this particular one, I think I'm going to start with this deck first. So we will see. Wow. What is in there? Pretty good, but and they are both shrink wrapped. So here's the first set and the back. First set, same back. Alrighty. Okay, this shrink wrap. Whenever they put shrink wrap on these tarot decks and oracle decks, they're like impossible to get off. So, got half the deck done. Almost there. Okay. Perfect. All right. So good card stock. They seem to shuffle pretty well. And I will go ahead and pull a couple of cards for the collective. I'll pull one more. Here we go. All right, perfect. So we have influences, withdrawn, boundaries. So for whoever this resonates for, there's a strong sense that it is important to put boundaries up with the people involved in your life. This could be certain attachments, like a thought process that the person that you're going to be together with is going to be 6 foot tall, blonde hair, blue eyes, live in, Upper Manhattan or wherever. And so it could be those kind of attachments. It could be the attachment that you're going to find this person sooner rather than later, or you're interested in someone, they want children, you don't. And so there's a couple of things with that. So needing to withdraw from the influences, third parties, peers, family members, and friends that might be trying to influence you on what this should look like. And then also having boundaries. So again, it's always fun to be able to talk to your friends about, what you want for your life and plan it out accordingly. Everybody needs a cheerleader. But when you find someone who makes you feel good about yourself and people don't like him because he doesn't have a lot of money or his job isn't as luxurious as you had hoped, sometimes it's important to really evaluate the situation and look at things from that perspective. This person may be absolutely perfect for you, but they don't make a lot of money. Is that necessarily a deal breaker? Or can you overlook that and build together? And boundaries as well. Sometimes what we see on social media, sometimes what people put out there all the time about, I'm not going to build with a man, I'm not going to support a man, I'm not going to sacrifice for a man, or vice versa. That's great, but when you're in a relationship, that's a partnership. And partnerships are all about compromise and building together towards a common goal. This person is collaborating with you on not only what they want for their own life, but what they want for the life they're planning for both of you. And as long as you two are on board with that, then boundaries and influences should be left at the front door. So that is what I have for everyone. I will see you all later. Bye.